Campion International School, a co-ed school established in 2006 with an aim to provide quality education to the children amidst a natural environment. The vicinity of the school is appropriate for an educational organization to impart knowledge and make their future bright. Your greatest invention lies in your hands. It is your future. Creativity, enthusiasm, energetic, and positive thinking are some of the facets of personality development. Home Away from Home is the Campion hostel for both girls and boys separately, with a hostel superintendent and his team. Separate study rooms for the boys and the girls and spacious dormitory are a speciality of this school. The refectory is clean and hygienic. A child will always feel at home in the Campion hostel.
And with this motto, it is our duty to provide quality education and individual attention to each one of them so that they turn out to be individuals of significance when they grow up.